Jumpstart your career. Job ideas for students in 2025. Starting your first job as a student is exciting, but can feel daunting. The good news is that by 2025, new tech and work trends mean you're no longer limited to just local shops or restaurants. Plenty of online gigs and creative freelance work are on the table. Here are some realistic job ideas for high school and college students to explore. Tech and online freelance gigs. Freelance web developer or coder. If you know how to code, even just basic web design, you can find small projects to build websites or apps. Many companies hire student developers for short gigs, giving you real experience and a project for your portfolio. Virtual assistant. Use your organizational skills to help busy people remotely. Virtual assistants handle tasks like managing emails, schedules, data entry, or online research, all on your own schedule. Creative and social media jobs. Social media manager or content creator. Small businesses and online creators often need help with social media, posting content, editing videos, and engaging with followers. Students are great for this role since they know the latest trends. You can build marketing skills and do it all from your phone or laptop. Freelance writer. If you have a way with words, businesses may hire you to write blog posts, articles, or marketing copy. It's a great way to improve your writing while earning money on a flexible schedule. Graphic design or video editing. Artistic students can offer design or video editing services as a side hustle. Nearly every industry needs eye-catching graphics and videos, so if you know tools like Canva or Adobe Creative Suite, you could create logos, social media posts, or video clips for clients. It's a great way to earn money and build a portfolio. Part-time jobs and gigs in the real world. Tutoring and part-time work. You can tutor in subjects you excel at, or work a traditional part-time job at a cafe, shop, or on campus. These may not be glamorous, but they provide steady income, fit your schedule, and teach responsibility. Gig economy. Side hustles. For quick cash with lots of flexibility, try gig apps. If you have a vehicle, you could deliver food or drive for a rideshare service. If driving isn't your thing, you might get paid to pet sit or dog walk through apps like Rover. Just be careful not to let gigs overwhelm your schoolwork. Internships and early experience. In 2025, many internships are remote or hybrid, letting you work with companies worldwide from home. These opportunities can be a springboard to future jobs. Look for openings in any field you care about. Even if some roles are unpaid, the experience and contacts are worth it. If you can't land an internship, consider volunteering or apprenticeships to gain experience. Final tips: whatever path you choose, remember that any job is a chance to learn. You'll pick up skills like communication, teamwork, and time management that employers love. Keep an open mind. You might even turn a hobby into a paying gig. The 2025 working world is flexible, so take advantage of it and enjoy building your future. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Take care, guys.